Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Hansel Duran. I'm a licensed real estate agent and a certified mentor at eXp Realty. I want to give you guys one way to get free buyer leads, right? Completely free, costs $0. So you're going to post rental leads on Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to be cut and dry, very short. You guys can do whatever you want. This is what has worked for me. Post rental leads. At least $1,500 up in my marketplace is about average price for at least a 2-bedroom rental, right? So you're gonna have to know and have a good understanding of what it takes to purchase a home, the down payment requirement, the credit score, all of that good stuff. Pre-qualify the tenant. Don't do a hard sale on the purchase of a home, right? If they for sure want to rent, then just let them rent the home. I'm gonna pre-qualify the person and make sure that they're even, preliminarily, if that's even a word, would qualify for a mortgage, right? Do they have the reserves, the cash on hand, the credit score, all of that good stuff? Their job, have they been at their job for at least 2 years? Then I'm gonna ask them, hey, have you thought about purchasing? I already know from experience what it would take for them to purchase and what they can purchase for this monthly payment that they're gonna rent for. So boom, you convert them. Very easy, very easy. I can take them out, show them the rental, and I already know what they can do for something similar and own it. So it's very easy to convert these leads. You guys go out there, make your ads on Facebook Marketplace and convert these renters. Let them know that purchasing is a better decision. 1 to 2 years down the line, they're gonna have some equity in the home, and that money that they would just be renting would be going out the window, right? It's just gone, right? If they have to rent for a year, okay, no stress, no problem. Let's make a game plan so at the end of this lease, you can purchase. Very simple, guys. You can definitely do it. Post your Facebook ad today. Make it simple. Don't be a car salesman. If they just want to rent, only let them rent. But show them that they can also be homeowners. So you guys make it happen, okay? If you have any other questions, reach out to me.